Hello and welcome. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense. Today, it's year-end review of 2019. 2019 is over, baby. Welcome 2020. And I have some free stuff for you, so please hang around to the end of the video. So, what really happened in 2019? Medicosis grew from 29,000 subscribers to over 129,000 subscribers. That's a growth of 100,000 if you noticed. Medicosis got 4.9 million views, so thank you so much for sharing and for viewing my videos. Medicosis has uploaded 258 videos. 74,000 students liked my videos, so thank you. Medicosis got a new website. It's called medicosisperfectionalis.com, baby. Some words of wisdom. Gratitude is the healthiest of all human emotions. So YouTube has sent me this beautiful email telling me that about 250,000 hours have been watched on my channel. I have no idea why people waste time watching my videos. It's beyond me. Here are the YouTube channels that we have surpassed together in 2019. Online Med Ed, University of Florida Internal Medicine, Kaplan Medical, Oxford Medical Education. Come on, Oxford, you can do better. Trust me. Harvard Medical School. Okay, how much money does Harvard receive from the United States government every year? Because this is driving me nuts. What do you say? $550 million? Only to be beaten by an Egyptian guy sitting in his kitchen. Stanford Medicine 25. I mean, the old adage said, if we can do it to Harvard, we can do it to Stanford. Allow me to share with you some personal goals that I've set in the beginning of 2019. So, my goal was to reach 100,000 subscribers, to lose 20 pounds, to read 30 non-medical books. What I've achieved is I've reached 130,000, so thank you so much. I've lost 30 pounds, it feels amazing. And I've read 58 books. 2019 has been the best year in my life yet. A goal properly set is halfway reached. What you get by achieving your goals is not as important as what you become by achieving your goals. The same great Zig Ziglar said, if you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time. So please set some goals. And of course, you have heard before that goals should be SMART. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Honestly, I couldn't care less. The most important thing about goals, they have to be written. I want to lose weight sometime. This is so ish, it's a wish. Kinda, sorta ish doesn't work. Has to be written. Has to be specific. What exactly do you want to do with your life? Measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. And the weirdest thing about the young generation is that they'll probably live until like their 90s. They don't think 20 years ahead, 30 years ahead, 40 years ahead. I want you to think long-term. What I would like to accomplish 20 years from now, 30 years from now. You want to be a cardiologist? Okay, it's going to take about 10 years. Are you ready? Cool, write it down. You should aim high but be realistic. For instance, like last year I read 58 books. Okay, so if I aim high, like let's say 3,500 books next year, I'm not gonna be able to do that. It's not gonna happen. But 100 is realistic. I'm pushing my limits, I'm pushing myself towards the limits, but it's still attainable. And if I failed and reached like 90 books, do you think I'm a failure? No, it's 90 is great. And if you like to use apps, there's a great app called Strides. It's an app, it's also available on the desktop as a web application. It's brilliant, it's actually great. It helps you set some goals and measure them and track them with some statistical analysis. It's just bonkers. They are not a sponsor of this video, although they should be. The reason my channel has been successful is not because I'm awesome. I'm not. I'm a terrible human being. It's because I have the best audience ever. So thank you, people. Thank you so much. And please help me by sharing. I want to reach 250,000 subscribers next year. There is still time to get my Antibiotics course. Just use the promo code Antibiotics60 on my website to get 60% discount. Happy 2020, everybody. So until the end of 2019, you can use the promo code BY201960 to get a 60% discount of any product on my website. It's limited to 35 students until the 31st of December Eastern Time. As Steve Jobs used to say, and one more thing. I know some of you are broke. There is no problem at all. Like 2 years ago, I was really broke. So here's a small gift. Perfectionist's Ultimate Notebook for Lymphoma is now free. Like totally free, completely free for 24 hours only until the 31st of December 2019 at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. You know, like when Lady Gaga drops the New York balls at New Year Eve. What do you say? It's not Lady Gaga dropping the ball this year? I don't care, nerd. Just get out of here. So please go to my website, get your lymphoma notebook for free. I encourage you to get Antibiotics Course or Electrolytes Course. If you get my Antibiotics Course before January 20, you will get 80% discount towards the next course, which is going to be Cardiac Pharmacology and the Antiarrhythmics and all of this fun stuff. Please buy something from my website. I want to buy some groceries. I want to get some white rice and develop vitamin B1 deficiency. I'm thinking about a new idea and I want your feedback and your opinion. I think I should do a webinar like on the internet. I will explain everything to you online and you will get to watch me live explaining all of the endocrinology topics in February 2020. But I've not decided yet. I want to know your feedback. So let me know down below in the comment section, or you can send me an email at medicosisperfectionalist.com to tell me that you're interested. If you aim at nothing, you will hit it every time. 2020 can be the best year in your life only if you decided to make it the best year of your life. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, smash like, hit the bell, and click on the join button. You can follow me on all of these platforms. You can go to my website, medicosisperfectionalist.com. If you need anything, email me at medicosisperfectionalist@gmail.com. Thank you so much for being part of my channel. Thank you. I'm really eternally grateful. As always, be safe, stay happy, and study hard.